Hello people, welcome to the fourth episode of the series Nanotechnology. In this series, let us take a look deep into nanotechnology in environmental survival. How can a small science help us protect such a big beautiful world? Nanotechnology is making significant improvements in technologies for protecting the environment. Nanoscale devices are being used for enhanced sensing, treating and remediation environmental contaminants. Nanoparticles are used in broad range of applications such as food processing, disinfectants, water purification and household appliances. People interested in adopting nanotechnology to environmental cleanup have been increasing to protect and monitor the problems. Nanoscale developments in environment. Nanosensors can be used to detect and track pathogens, contaminants, nutrients and environmental characteristics. Nanotool can track agricultural products and improve their quality by detecting pesticides, fertilizers and biological events. Nano devices can be used to extract unwanted agricultural byproduct from soil and water. Nanofilters and nanobioreactors can be used to study enzymes and microbes in composite systems. Researchers have been developed sponge-like nanoporous material that will mop up pollutants in air and water and break down noxious wastes, therefore reducing greenhouse gases. Water cleaning with nanotechnology. Nanotechnology can clean arsenic contaminants in drinking water cost effectively, which is enough for developing countries. Researchers have developed nanocrystalline photocatalysts that pure water by accelerating reactions that requires light. Nanotechnology uses sunlight to break down organic pollutants such those in oil industries. The performance of nanocrystal have improved as well as the ability to recover them. Therefore, they are most cost effective than precious nanocrystal. Water pipes can be coated with nanoparticles to protect the formation of rust. Purifying air with nanotechnology. Scientists are working on a method to replace expensive platinum in catalytic converter with nickel. Gold is an inactive atom, but when gold is less than 6 nanometer, it becomes an active catalyst, helping oxygen combine with carbon monoxide to make carbon dioxide. Nanotechnology stocks contain nanoparticles of silver. These particles kills the bacteria that make your feet smell. Many people with smelly feet will benefit from this technology. Risk of nanoparticles. The effect of nanoparticles in humans ingested by food or water, inhalation or exposure through contaminated air are numerous. The adverse effect demonstrated on both the environmental and human health likely mean it's widespread in environmental cleanup. What might happen to environment if they get out of control? They could cause unexpected and dangerous reaction to the plants and animals. What is the cost of environment when we manufacture and use these nanomaterials and technologies? Thank you people. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Want to get more information like this? Yes. Meet you in the next episode. Until then, stay tuned with Ham.